Do you enjoy the RV lifestyle? Do you enjoy RV life? Are you looking for RV cooking recipes? Are you looking for RV cooking hints and tips and hacks? Well, you've come to the right channel. Join us on our cooking journey and we're going to send you thousands of recipes.
Forget the restaurants. The best restaurant is inside that RV. Your RV.
MENEMEN.
No, MENEMEN. MENEMEN, not man and man.
Watch until the end of the video, guys. We have an important announcement to make and we're so excited. In this episode today, guys, we're going to show you how to cook MENEMEN.
No, MENEMEN. MENEMEN, not man and man.
MENEMEN. No?
Yeah, MENEMEN.
MENEMEN. Now, MENEMEN is delicious. It's a breakfast, and we're going to show you how to make that breakfast. But it can also, you can eat it any time of the day, as an evening snack, lunchtime snack, but predominantly it's a breakfast. So easy to make, you will love it. But when you go to a restaurant like we did, we were in the Mediterranean on the coastline of Turkey, and in the restaurant I asked for, or said, can I get MENEMEN? The look I got was very strange. So be careful what you ask for when you're in the Mediterranean. It's MENEMEN. MENEMEN. Not MENEMEN.
Let's have fun. Let's cook MENEMEN. Only 5 minutes. Just give your 5 minutes. What you need: onion, pepper, tomatoes, egg, oregano, salt, paprika, pepper, and olive oil. This is it. And also you need, if you have non-sticky pan, this is very good.
Did you guys see the blooper then? The egg smashing on the floor? See, it happens with these great chefs. He smashed the eggs. Now we need to go and check if we have any more eggs. Bear with us.
I found another egg. I dropped it. Sometimes happens, you know. I have very good cutting board here. You know, I'm pulling the vegetable one. What you need to do first, take your green pepper and slice nicely. And after you slice, matchstick style, the chefs always call julienne cut, meaning is matchstick cut, very similar. Then cut your peppers like this. You see, like a small matchstick. Always put your pepper inside, face underneath, because your pepper won't slip and you won't cut your hands. Take your onion and cut and peel it nicely. Cut in half, and same matchstick style. Now take your tomatoes. Woo! What a catch! And cut end parts and 4 or 5 slices and make a cube, half-inch cubes.
That egg really wants to get away,
yeah,
doesn't it?
Yeah, get away today. You know, I don't understand all rolling.
Rolling eggs, rolling eggs, rolling eggs.
Oops, sometimes very difficult to control eggs. Like this. All right, and half-inch cubes. 2 Roma tomatoes I cut here. Then after that I'm taking a little bit parsley for garnish. You don't need too much. This enough for you. Oops. Now this is our pan. So
this one, it's Gotham steel non-stick.
Non-stick.
Excuse me.
Yeah, if you use this pan, your eggs and vegetables doesn't stick. You can cook so comfortably. What you need to do first, take your olive oil, a little bit inside.
More olive oil. We use olive oil in everything.
Everything is. I don't use any other oils. Slim is so healthy.
We never use butter. We
Yeah.
never use butter. Olive oil.
This recipe is for 2 people, and I am using medium heat around 325 degrees. Now I'm waiting my oil little bit sizzle. After sizzle, yeah, first put your onion, because onions takes a little bit longer time, you know.
That's quite quick heating up, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's very powerful. Yeah.
Now you might be wondering why we've got this flat top grill next to us. We do sometimes use this grill to cook the menemen, but for today's video we're doing it in the copper pan. But if you're wondering what kind of grill this is, it's the Next grill, and it's excellent. It's not as heavy, is it?
No.
It's not as heavy as the Blackstone grill.
And folds so
The
easily.
legs fold.
And all the top gets really evenly hot.
Yeah.
We really like it.
I mean, we don't even have it on the highest heat, and the heat from it it's great, isn't it? So
Yeah.
Next grill, and they did have them on offer at Home Depot.
Yeah, I think we're $119
$119 down from $200. Now, whether they fiddled that a little bit, don't know. But it was an offer that we couldn't refuse because everything else was just too expensive and heavy. So for us in the RV, we'll take this down to the beach. We'll take this, well, wherever we go. You know, we'll carry it. Sometimes we take it in the car and carry it down the beach. But for weight in the RV, it's great.
Yeah. Let your onion cook 3 minutes. After that, you need to throw your green bell pepper in it, and give another 7 minutes. Then we will add the rest of the vegetables.
Outside of the videos, he does some fancy tricks with the food.
I love tricks.
Sometimes they do go on the floor, but practicing tricks, he loves flipping it all around, doesn't he?
Yeah, absolutely.
Flipping the eggs, flipping the pancakes.
Now, I'm throwing my green pepper in it.
Yummy.
Yeah, let it cook. Did you see this? Oh. So light. Every morning, you know, light breakfast, vegetables and eggs.
It's
Love
so
it.
filling. It doesn't.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel like it. Doesn't clog you up, does
No,
it?
no.
It doesn't drain your energy after you've eaten it. Because I don't know. You know, we've noticed when sometimes when you have breakfast after it. I don't know about you guys, but if I have some breakfast in the morning straight after it, I feel tired. It keeps your energy levels going.
Outside is a little bit windy today. I take the lid. No, I'm covering. Cooks much easily, and thins inside.
Yeah, and if you're
Gets
wondering where you
softer,
can get
yeah.
these pans from, guy, you probably already know. They have them everywhere. Walmart. We got these from Walmart, didn't we?
Walmart, yeah.
Yeah. So we got them in a selection of five
Yeah,
or
5
six different ones,
set,
and
yeah.
they're great. I mean, it's so easy to clean as well. I mean, just cleaning them at the end of a cooking event,
yeah.
And even if they're left a couple, 2-3 hours, sometimes even the next day, the food comes off so easy.
After another 3 minutes, time to put your tomatoes inside. You know. Oh, so did you see color?
Yeah, all the nice
Yeah.
colours.
Colors,
Yeah.
yeah. Yes, it smell is really good. Vegetable smells I love. We will put some herbs inside too.
And like somebody said to you, herbs.
Herbs.
Herbs. Someone said, commented, sent us a message and said, we love the way Yamach says herbs. So whilst this is cooking, guys, I'm going to mention another YouTube channel that's following us. And I think we're going to do this every week when we do a recipe. We're going to shout out a channel,
Yeah.
aren't we? You know, the market out there, it's big enough for everybody, so why not mention somebody else? You know, it's no great competition out there. We're all, you know, trying our best.
Family, friends.
Family friendly, you know. So there's one channel I want to mention. And this channel, we don't know them. Never met this person in our lives.
Yeah.
But from day one of us putting out these videos, they were commenting, and they even went and tried one of our recipes and gave us some feedback, which was awesome. And the YouTube channel is called Chocolate Box Cottage. Now, if you head on over to her channel, she seems a delight of a person to just watch, and I'm mesmerized when I watch her videos. And you know, sometimes I watch them late at night or early morning, but no matter what time you watch them, you feel like you are absorbed into her channel. And the latest video that she did was creating a tea station, and it just looks so adorable. And I have to tell you, the kitchen and her backdrop in her home is just incredible. It's just so cute.
She's a
And
great chef.
and she
chocolate
just
chef.
creates all these different unique things and little and great hints and tips. But her presentation as well, the way she's presenting all these ideas to you is just spot on. You can even check out her Instagram account. She's got some great pictures on there, and the pictures of her house, and I've forgotten where it is. It's somewhere in the snow, and they've got a lot of snow there right now. But the pictures of this cottage, and it's just delightful. Anyway, check it out.
Vegetables are steaming. I can see right here. Ooh, nicely done. You know, you don't want your vegetables to burn. You want soft and shiny. What will I do? Just bring your eggs, crack on top of the vegetables. Doesn't matter if breaks, totally fine. After that, oregano. This is my favorite part. You put quite a bit oregano inside, and pepper. I like pepper, and whatever you like, put that much. Salt. One of the last thing, paprika. See, getting color and the smell. It's amazing. And a little bit parsley. Now, cover, wait another couple minutes. Preparation time take 5 minutes, cooking time 12 minutes. I cook the eggs sunny side up. You see the white part is so firm, and the yellow part is nice yellow and shiny, what you want. Basically, our menemen is ready to eat. Now, finished.
Looks delightful.
Time to taste.
Time to taste.
She's my best taster, you know, my guinea pig. You know,
I am the guinea pig. The guinea pig. Anything is experimenting on. Sue, how does this taste? Sue, what's this like? But majority of the time, it's good.
take a spoon and put in your plate.
Looks so nice.
Yeah.
And
look
also
at
with
this.
menemen, you can also add in little pieces of sausage, can't you?
Yeah,
Little sausage in
there's
there
a
as
lot
well.
of different variation. If you like sausage, bacon, pepperoni, cheese, feta cheese, you can put
put
anything
that in
you
as
like.
well. But anyway, we did say we had an important announcement, and it is to us. It's huge, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're so happy to kind of tell everyone that we're publishing a book, and we never thought we would do this because Yamach has got thousands of recipes from years of experience, over 30 years of experience, and he's got all these recipes just floating around all over the place, you know, scrapbooks in his head. So I've been saying to him for a long time, well, can you just pull them recipes out and write a book? So anyway, it's on pre-order and it's on Amazon on Kindle. Now we're starting it off on Kindle, and then we're going to hopefully go to a printed production. So check it out on Amazon if you're interested.
We are so excited.
We are so excited. We're not trying to oversell it or anything, but it's just to say we are excited. It's a new thing for us. We never thought we would do it, and it's happening. So
Yeah.
excited.
Yeah. Tasting time. You can actually, I love that part, take a couple
My
breads
favourite part too.
and dip the bread inside the
Oh
egg.
yeah,
Oh,
with the
so
egg.
good.
Dip the bread. Can I
Yeah.
dip it now?
Yeah. It's all yours, Sue.
It's always all mine. Oh, I like it on the bread. Yeah, I really do. And I like anything with colour. I don't like boring looking food, you know? But most of all, I like tasty food. I don't like to eat out or go to a restaurant and eat food and come away and think, what did I just eat? There was no taste to it.
Yeah.
It's tasty. I say it all the time. I say it all the time, but yeah,
Can I
tasty.
taste a little?
I don't know.
No,
There we
yeah.
go. And healthy, again, healthy. Olive oil. Top tip, olive oil all the time.
You can taste tomatoes, pepper, onion, oregano, paprika, you know, all those
All
egg
comes in.
taste, everything in there.
And remember,
All
I'm
right.
just remembering when I did. Don't ask for many men. It's not many men. You might be surprised as to what you actually get if you do ask for many men, depending where you are. It's men. MENEMEN, not
Quick.
not
Very quick.
very
Like
quick.
MENEMEN.
MENEMEN, not
Yeah.
MANY.
Yeah.
MENEMEN.
Now,
MENEMEN.
what are we saying?
You catch me all the time when I'm eating. Okay.
Yeah, second times I got
Second
you
time.
same way, you know.
Yeah. What do we say? For each all.
Have a nice day, guys.
Have a nice day and enjoy your MENEMEN.
Men.